Say.
Hey guys, this is Troy Dunn, and the guy videoing right now is Boss.
We gotta hurry, so
yeah, we gotta hurry. So this is round one. There's 3 rounds. Here's round one.
No, let's just do. We're only doing one round.
Two rounds.
2 rounds.
2 rounds. Oh nope, that was a dud. Nope, I did not mean to shoot that one. I was in air. Whoa, you see that cup?
Alright, you done?
No, I have one more. This last one. Boom.
Alright.
I knocked down 5 cups, so that's 5 points.
Alright.
Boss.
Boys' turn. So far, I'm winning. I knocked down 5 cups. Holy cow. 1 more cup and we're tied. No, we're tied.
Last bullet.
Yes, we're tied 5-5.
Let's go.
Now we're moving on to round 2.
Now we're moving on to round 2. We have to shoot it from way back here. Oh! Oh no, last bullet. Whew. Oh, come on.
0. All I need is 1 cup and I win.
Yes.
Alright, see you next. You won.
I won.
So you got how many?
3
6
times 2, 6 plus
4 or 5?
4,
5.
5.